How to enable or disable tap duration on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. Now we go down and tap on tap duration. At the top here, to enable tap duration, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it on, and then tap on keep on. Or we can tap on the toggle button to switch it off. And that's it. Now it is off. And finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.